Imagine a world where everything works seamlessly, where industries are transformed and innovation never rests. Welcome to the future of AI, where the possibilities are endless. AI, or artificial intelligence, is reshaping the way we live and work. It's no longer just a concept from science fiction movies, it's here, and it's transforming industries like never before. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing the way we diagnose and treat illnesses. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can assist doctors in detecting diseases early, leading to faster and more accurate diagnoses. AI is also changing the way we shop. Online shopping experiences are becoming personalized, thanks to AI algorithms that learn our preferences and recommend products tailored to our tastes. And with the rise of chatbots, customer service has never been more efficient and convenient. But it doesn't stop there. AI is disrupting transportation, making our roads safer with self-driving cars. It's improving manufacturing processes, reducing errors, and increasing productivity. And in the financial sector, AI is making complex data analysis faster and more reliable, enabling better decision-making. The future of AI is bright, but we must address concerns about privacy and ethics. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's crucial to ensure data protection and establish ethical guidelines for its use. So, as we embark on this exciting journey into the future, let's embrace AI's potential to transform industries and revolutionize our world. From healthcare to shopping, transportation to finance, AI is reshaping the way we live and work. Thanks for watching our video on the future of AI. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about technology and innovation.